Here we will write a Python program to convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius using parameterized constructor. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. So first we will define class and we will define constructor. Here we will define constructor with one parameter and we will assign constructor variable. Then we will define method. Formula for converting temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius is Celsius equal to F minus 32 divided by 1.8. So we will calculate Celsius as self.f minus 32 divided by 1.8 and we will print it. Then we will accept temperature in Fahrenheit from user. So F equal to int input, enter temperature in Fahrenheit. Then we will create object of our class and we will pass F as a parameter and we will call the method convert Celsius from that class. Then we will save it. Then I will execute it. I will enter temperature 92. It will print temperature in Celsius as 33.33.